Gymnasium floors are challenging, but again this summer Penn Valley Chemical is here to help you through the process. Our customers are finding great success using the Bona Diamond Pad system. The driver is available in 16 or 20-inch sizes and can be put on a traditional floor machine. The driver has independently spinning discs that all but eliminate swirls and scratches, leaving a smooth, flat surface. The discs are available in various grits to accommodate any of your needs. If you're able to run a standard floor machine, you can easily sand your gymnasium wood floor using the Bona drive system. The Bona diamond pads have superior longevity. The average gym floor will only take 2 to 3 pads. We find that utilizing an oscillating edger, like the Nano shown here, is the best way to provide a consistent sanding throughout all of your edges. Once all the sanding has been completed, now it's time to do your dust cleanup. The best way to do that is with a backpack vacuum, a soft brush on a wand, and vacuum the floor thoroughly. Make sure to vacuum the corners, edges, baseboards, and under any equipment. This is the first task as part of the dust cleanup. Here you can see our tech utilizing the Mosquito high power vacuum along with the brush. Make certain to check your bag often, and if you're not removing the dust and just pushing it around, it's time to switch your bag. After thoroughly vacuuming the floor, we like to use our Dust Ease floor disposable dust sheets. They pick up 800% more dust and dirt, sand than a standard cotton dust mop. We like to use both sides underneath our dry mop to eliminate any fine dust. Disposable and typically will only require one box to do any gym floor. Typically with the right crew, you can have them working in tandem, one person vacuuming the floor and the other following behind with the dust ease, removing the fine grit. Once you've utilized these two forms of dust removal, the floor should look like this. Now you're prepared to do a light rinsing with an auto scrubber. Although an auto scrubber is not required, we do like that last task to remove any leftover grit or fine dust. At this time, you could also gently mop the edges and make sure there's no leftover debris. At this point, you'll be ready to lay your floor finish. This customer chose an Oxygen X-Link finish, which is a water-based finish, and we can put that over oil or water-based. Now for our favorite part, we're going to lay finish. So we like to start with a small puddle, and we like to get our T-bar nice and saturated. Once we have our T-bar prepped and ready to finish, we want to make sure somebody's walking in front of us with a watering can and keeping a heavy line of finish. I know this may seem intimidating, but once you get used to it, you'll easily control the puddle of floor finish laying on the floor. You always want to maintain a heavy wet line. That way you don't have the finish tacking up as you're applying more finish. Make sure you communicate with the person pouring finish on the floor and let them know if you need more or less. Choosing whether you want a heavy or a light T-bar will also control how heavy your coat is. You do not want to put pressure on the floor. You just want to lightly pull your T-bar across the floor and allow it to do the work. Utilizing 2 watering cans will make certain that you never run out. I usually have one person filling cans while one person is pouring. If you miss an area, you can easily go back and get it and then continue with your line. Once you feel comfortable, this will be a breeze. Once you get to your edge, you want to have your pour stop short, and then you can take the finish where you need it. Make sure that you straighten out your edge, make your turn, and continue on your line. Some of the key benefits of utilizing a water-based gym floor finish is a vibrant gloss. It's virtually odorless. It dries in 2 to 3 hours. Water cleanup, low VOCs. It will stick to oil or water-based finishes. You can recoat the same day, which allows you to have shortened downtimes for your gymnasium. I personally like to apply a coat in the morning, go to lunch, and apply a second coat in the afternoon. The finish is easily chemical, scratch, and scuff resistant and easy to maintain. If the floor starts to look dingy, you can simply burnish the floor and pop back a shine. Here you can see a good example of how good this floor is going to look. We go with a nice even finish and a great shine. Penn Valley loves doing gymnasium floors. If you need assistance at your facility picking the proper products, or if you're looking to retrain your staff in gymnasium wood floor refinishing, give Penn Valley a call. We're always excited to work with your facility and get you the best product and the best process for the job. It's really that easy, everyone. One day to sand, one day to finish, one day to set, and then the next day you're ready to go. So you don't have your gym down for a long time. And once you burnish this floor finish, it will get stronger, harder, and outlast most oil-based finishes. Again, we're Penn Valley Chemical, and we're here to help with any of your gymnasium floor finish needs.